welcome to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to change the host name in Centos 7 without reboot. So without wasting time, let's get started. First, we have to go to our Centos 7 machine. I have installed it on VirtualBox. If you want to install on VirtualBox or VMware, or you want to know how you can install in very few steps, you can watch my video. Link is available in the description. Just open the Centos 7 and enter the password. I will enter my password. Here we are logged in, and now we will go to applications tab, and here we will go to system tools, and we can find terminal, because we will change our host name on terminal. On terminal you can see Centos 7. This Centos 7 is our host name, Centos 7. We will change it without rebooting the system. So first, let me tell you what is host name. Host name basically is a name that is assigned to a computer within a network. Like as you can see, Centos 7. This is our host name. So first, if you want to check what is the host name, now you can simply write host name CTF. Here you can see Centos 7 is your static host name, and pretty host name is also Centos 7. So we will change the both host name one by one. If you want to only change static host name, that's enough. But if you want to pretty host name too, it is most welcome. Then let's get started. First, we will write host name CTF and set host name. Now we will write the host name. Here you have to write your host name that you want to. Like I want to write tech with team. Now this will be my host name. Here you can write your own host name of your choice. It can be your nickname or can be something you like. So just enter. The setting is saved. If you want to know either the setting is saved successfully or not, you can simply write host name CTF, and here you can see the static host name tag with team is changed now. So as I show you, we will not reboot the system. To show the changes on the terminal, we have to exit from terminal, and then we have to log out from Centos. Here you can see it is log out. It says the Centos will be logged out automatically in 60 seconds. So I will log it myself. Now the Centos is logged out. As you can see, Centos is logged out. So now we just open our Centos and enter our password. In a few seconds, now you can see we are going to log into our Centos 7. Here we are logged in, and now we will check our host name is either changed or not. So again I will go to our terminal. And now we can see that tech with team is our host name. So you can check host name CTF. This is our host name. So as you can see, I did it without rebooting the system. Now if you want to change the host name, that is transient host name and pretty host names, you can also do it in a very small change. So let me tell you how you can do it. Simple, write host name CTF hostname ctl, and then again set hostname. There is very small change to change the hostname. Here we will write the hostname. Again here we can write hostname of our own choice. Like I again write tech with team 2, and then I will assign that I am changing this for transient, not for main host. So I will enter // and now I will write transient, and now simple enter. Now let me show you how it is looking. Hostname ctl. As you can see, static hostname is stacked with them, while the transient hostname is stacked with team2. That is changed by now. So these are the very few commands to remember, and let me tell you another command that is for changing the host name for pretty option. That is an optional, but let me tell you, I hope you will learn it and you will use it in your Centos. So for that, for pretty, just we have to simple write hostname ctl again, and then again set hostname. This time I will write tech with team 3, and now I have to assign that I am changing this for pretty, not for hostname or not for the transient hostname. This time I am changing this for pretty hostname. For that I will again write simple // and this time I will write pretty and just enter. So you can see the command is successful. For checking either our name is successful or not, simple I will write hostname ctl and enter. Now you can see, and static hostname is tech with team and pretty hostname is tech with team 3. These are the different host names: static hostname, pretty hostname, and then transient hostname. I showed you how we can change the static hostname, pretty hostname, and transient hostname easily. So these are the few steps. I hope you will like the video. If you like the video, kindly like the video and subscribe to the channel. Till next video, goodbye. Thank you.